A phasing tool is a device that is designed to give a specific voltage reading. It generally consists of two probes attached through a meter by a reel of insulated wire. In order to protect the meter and yourself, make sure you use a phasing tool with a range that can handle the highest possible voltage you expect to find. Before you use the phasing tool, check the meter carefully for physical defects and look for cracked or worn insulation on the leads. Now let's see how this man uses a phasing tool to test one of the conductors on this transformer for dead. Because this transformer has fully insulated connections, a direct reading with the phasing tool can't be made. Therefore, the workman needs to place one end of the cable he wants to test on a feed-through bushing. A feed-through bushing is a device that provides two electrically connected bushings. With the cable on one position of the feed-through bushing, he can test the cable's potential at the other position. He can also check the operation of the phasing tool on the open energized transformer bushing. As with the stethoscope, the first thing the lineman does is check the phasing tool to make sure that it's operating properly. To do this, he touches one of the test probes to the transformer ground and places the other probe into the energized transformer bushing. He gets a normal phase to ground reading. This verifies that the meter is functioning properly. Now he can test the cable for dead. He keeps one test probe on the transformer ground and places the other probe on the second position of the feed-through bushing. Since the other end of this cable has been disconnected from its energized source and then grounded, the cable should test dead. The reading between the feed-through bushing and ground shows 0 volts. This verifies that the cable is de-energized. After the test, he takes another reading between the energized bushing and ground to make sure that the meter is still functioning properly. The meter indicates a normal phase to ground voltage, which confirms its operation. Now he goes on to ground the cable. Although the tools we've just seen can be used to accurately test a circuit for dead, you may be in a situation where you can't make a definite determination without physically cutting into the cable and shorting it.